Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about biometrics. Today we will discuss about what is biometrics, type of biometrics recognition, application of biometric system and constants of biometrics. First of all, we are going to discuss what is biometrics. Biometrics is a recognition of individual based on his or her biological as well as behavioral characteristics. We can recognize any person with the help of fingerprint because fingerprint of every individual is different from others. So we can easily recognize any person with the help of fingerprints. Next one is vascular pattern matching. For this we use LED infrared lights, fingers and back of the hand. Through this we can easily recognize any person individually. Iris recognition. In this we use infrared lights and convert image into vectors. So we can easily identify any person through iris recognition. Recognition of person is not in the proper position. We can't recognize his or her. Voice verification. In the voice verification we have so much factors just like pitch, quality, duration, intensity. All these are depends on the voice verification. Voice verification is also text dependent. If we have background noise during voice verification, it's very difficult to recognize the person because of voice is not clear. Our another feature is dynamic signature. Dynamic signature depends on the velocity, speed and acceleration of the signature, mainly used for the verification. It's also very helpful for when we want to identify the signature of the person, especially for bank verification. It's all very helpful. Next one is retina recognition. Retina recognition is the most secure biometrics methods because retina of each person is unique, because eye of these person is always unique. That's why we can say that retina recognition is the most secure biometrics method. For example, we can say that in the movie of Krish, Hrithik Roshan used his eyes retina for the password of his computer. It is the best example for retina recognition. Commercial application, computer login, electronic payments, ATMs, record protection, all these are commercial applications of biometrics. Government application just like passport control, border control, SS control, all these are government applications of biometrics. Biometrics is also helpful for forensic application, just like we can easily find out missing person through his signature, fingerprints, face recognition. It's also helpful for corpus identification and criminal investigation. Clear constant on biometrics is very important for us because when we have clear constant just like lighting, distance, pose, expression, time lapse, we can easily identify the person. But when we don't have the clear constants, we have unconstant image, it's very difficult to recognize a person. In this image we can clearly see that unconstant image, so it's very difficult to identify person through his eyes, fingers and facial expression. Biometric research at Kamsan, it's a recognition lab. The main goal of this lab is usable biometric and unconstant biometrics. Biometrics research also depends on aging research. We can say in this picture recognition of person in young age and in older age. Biometric research also depends on older versus younger, male versus female, geographical region of the algorithm. All these are biometric research. Biometric research also depends on the region recognition. Through this picture, we can easily identify with the eye of person from which region he or she belongs to, just like texture, color and eye shape. Thus, we can say that in China, the people have very small eyes, but in India we have very broad eyes. So we can easily recognize person with the region recognition. Biometric research, another method for biometric research is ear recognition. It is not affected by aging or expression. It's convert collection of images and little research performed. We can easily identify anything with ear recognition. These are the sources. Thank you.